Hey guys, Zeloscorn here, and today I've got an unboxing for you of the Sony HDR CX405 Handycam. I know it's been a while since my last video, and I've really wanted to improve the quality of my videos by buying a camcorder. Yeah, there was the speculation again about DSLRs versus camcorders, but this one really fits my budget right now, and let's have an unboxing of it. So as you can see, this is a simple camcorder which I got off of Amazon. Uh, I ordered it yesterday, it came today, and uh, there's actually nothing fancy on the box itself. Uh, just some basic information, as you can see. Well, yeah. So it features 9.2 megapixels. Actually, well, let's just look at the camera itself. I'm trying to shoot this video the second time now, so it's already opened. I'm quite sorry about that. So let's just open the box. Well, here are your standard paperwork that comes with it. Nothing fancy. Guarantee guide, some user manuals. Who reads these anyway? We want to see the camera, but first let's see what accessories we get. So this is your charger. It's a 5-volt charger, rated at 1.5 amps. Pretty nice. USB extension cord. Mini HDMI to HDMI. Nice. Yeah. You get your battery, which is 1240 milliamp hours, and the camera itself. I thought it would be a bit bigger, but it's really actually nice in the hand. Tiltable screen. So here's the USB cable that is actually not removable. So you'll have to charge the camera like this with the extension cord. This camera supports actually two types of memory cards, the Sony proprietary one, the M2, and standard micro SD cards. Let's pop in the battery. Yeah, it only goes like in like one side. So the camera turns on when you open the viewfinder. And I think I'll go with the initial setup of camera. I'll update you later about this camera, guys. I'll probably film a review about it, and I'm gonna do some test videos later. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I hope to see you in the next video.